How much does it cost to have my windows cleaned? At RedClean, we use a standardised pricing structure for cleaning windows on residential homes. For commercial properties, we custom quote each site. You can view all our domestic home window cleaning prices on our website. The direct link is www.redclean.co.uk/pricing. Our central base is in Bletchley, Milton Keynes. For domestic customers, we have a radius of around 40 miles. However, we also cover Cambridge, which is 50 miles from our base. We expect to grow further, but as of today, July 2023, this is as far as we go. So if you're looking for a window cleaner within this radius, please get in touch. We price as reasonable as possible. Still, as we've learned, for our company to operate successfully, we have a certain level of money to turn over to achieve that. Our current pricing structure allows us to do that. We understand that there are cheaper operators out there, but there are also more expensive ones too. We can only talk from our experience, but here are some advantages of using a company like ours. As of today, we employ over 20 members of staff that are all employed directly through us as payee staff. 14 of them are external cleaners that clean windows most days. We're reliable because we have many staff members on the road daily. Suppose we can't be with you when we're supposed to. We'll always be with you the day after. We run a tight and efficient ship. Some smaller one-person companies may be unable to keep up with their schedules. There may be days where they're late, sick, have bad weather, go on holiday, or their equipment fails. Another advantage of using a company our size is our office staff. Many one-person companies may take a while to contact you if there's an issue, as they'll be out working all day. We have office staff on the other end of the phone or email Monday to Friday, 8 AM to 5 PM. Another reason we charge the prices we do is because it allows us to reinvest in our business. All of our vans are under 6 years old. We are always looking to increase our level on that and upgrade our vans when they hit the 5-year-old mark. We are constantly reinvesting in our equipment too. If something out on the market makes our job easier and safer, then we would be looking to invest in it. What does it cost to have your windows cleaned? Our prices as of July 2023 start from as little as £15. A 2-bed property 4 weekly clean is £15. 8 weekly clean is £19. For a conservatory, it's an extra £5, and for an extension, it's an extra £5. A 3-bed semi 4 weekly clean is £18. 8 weekly clean is £23. Conservatory is an extra £8 and extension is an extra £5. A 4-bed semi, 4 weekly clean, £20. 8 weekly clean, £25. Conservatory is an extra £8 and an extension is an extra £6. A 3-bedroom detached and townhouse, 4 weekly is £22. 8 weekly is £28. Conservatory is £9 and an extension is £7. A 4-bed detached house and townhouse, 4 weekly clean £27, 8 weekly clean £35. Conservatory is an extra £10 and extension is an extra £8. A 5-bed detached or a townhouse, 4 weekly clean is £32, 8 weekly clean is £40. Conservatory is £12 and an extension is an extra £10. We reserve the right to customise a house price if for any reason the property isn't within the norm. We've had situations before where a 4-bed house has asked for a fee, and when we've turned up to clean, the whole back side of the wall was just glass. Or a 5-bed place had a glass tunnel connecting the house to the garage. 99% of the time the formula is okay, and we honour that. But sometimes in extreme cases, we have to customise the quote. If your house is larger than the prices quoted above, we'll also supply a custom quote for that. If you'd like some further information, please check out the links related below. We hope this article gives you the answers that you need. Our staff are always on hand and happy to help out when needed. Please contact us and use the form below and get in touch.